lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how to style this beautiful easy hairstyle. Are you looking for hairstyle to style for your princess? Maybe you are going to a birthday party and your daughter has not made her hair and you're just looking for a simple hairstyle to make for your princess. So watch this video and I believe you are going to learn on how to style a very easy hairstyle for your princess. This video is yours. So sit back, let's make this hairstyle together. First, I'm going to start sectioning it from the side. So when you are doing this zigzag part, you're going to be just it's not difficult, just be bending your hand the way I'm doing it now. Go up and take it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, just like so. Before you know, you are done. So after I section this side to the other side, like I start from this side, back of her ears, down to the other side of her ears. This hairstyle is going to be just 3 parts. So I'm going to start from the front the same way. Take it up, down, just like so, until you get to where the other one started, which is the back one. So like I said, this hairstyle is just 3. We are going to pack it into 3. So when you're just taking it like this, don't worry about if the part is clear or not. So after you are done with the pattern, just like this, then you use a channel jam to clear the part. Then you can smoothen it, and yeah, you will see that the style will just enter. So now I am smoothing it. I'm not going to pack the hair yet, but I just want to make sure I straighten the part properly. You see? So this is the reason why I am adding a channel jam from the part. So if you want to start clearing this part, you have to start from the part, not from the other side. So after I finish, I use hair packer to hold both because I'm going to start from the back. So I'm going to like clear this side again, just like this. See the way I'm doing it now. So, and when I'm done doing this, that all you just need is to know how to section this part. But if for example it's difficult for you to do this part, just you can do it straight. Okay, like someone told me sometimes the way I'm doing it looks easy, but when she's doing it it's not that easy for her. And if you feel that, or you see that you try to do this part is not working, just do straight parts. Okay, so it's the same thing, but if you can do this part, I will recommend you do it, because this part is what really give the hair a style, like give it a beautiful look. So after that, I'm going to open the hair. After combing it with big comb, open the hair, apply channel jam inside. For this, because of this, our hair is fresh perming, so that the hair will be smooth and fine. So always be having both big and tiny comb with you. If possible, also brush to make every hair, make sure all of them they are inside. So I'm going to remove a little from the front, then use brush to brush the hair, hold everything. Then because of the way I packed it before, because I was just trying to clear it, that's why I packed the hair before. So now I'm going to do the packing. So now we are done. So I'm going to make this hair into 3, like each hair will be 3. So but I'm going to fold it. The braid I'm using, I split it into 2, which is the long hair. I split it into 2, then drag it a little, very short, and I'm going to be adding to it. So the way I pack this hair now, each carry 3 strands of hair, but I'm going to turn it, like I'm going to twist it. Just keep watching and see the way I made it to become more than 3. How you maintain this hairstyle, in my next video I'm going to be showing it now. There's this plastic that you can use to dye hair, but I'm going to be using it to apply oil in my children's hair, just to show you guys on how to do it. Okay, so that is why you should subscribe to my channel to see things like this. Thank you so much, and both my new and my old subscribers, I appreciate you all. Always moisturize your hair or your kids' hair, most especially when it's fresh perming. Before you start making the hair, make sure you moisturize it. You spray it with either water or rosemary water. Either way is good, as long as it's liquid. Okay, it's just to prevent the hair. We are going to make their hair fine and full, and not to damage it. It's just to avoid making the hair tangle or to damage. All right. So now I'm done in this part. You see this, the tip, I take it to round the hair. After I use it to round the hair, like before I used it, I didn't finish the tip. So after I use it to round it, then and I finish it, not completely, I'm going to leave it. Then I will section another one, because this one I will be into two. Yeah, like this. Then that tip that I weave from that one, I will weave it along with this one. The hair will never fall off until you are ready to lose the hair, you know. And I'll section it along with this hair. So, and this one tip also, see, I have to measure it. When you are weaving it, you measure it to see if the hair, if you fold it, if the length will be the same thing with the one you've done already. If not, keep adding your the hair to it until it's ready. See the way I'm also doing it now. Round it, just like so. Then, if you cannot weave it, you can twist it, as long as it's just there. You know, make sure it's in the roots. Then when you want to weave the other one, you also weave it along with it. This is just, it's so simple. But if you also cannot do it, you can do it into 4. Like, you can just weave it into 3. I just want it to be a little bit much, but I don't want to weave it much. I want it to be much. So that is why I fold it. You see, 1 strand of hair gave me 2. So together, everything was 6. And yeah, but if you cannot do it, if you want to make it 6, you can make it 6. So this is the last one. You see the way I used to round the last one now? Let me do it again, like this. You put the 2 inside, which is the 2 you want to use. Then the only one is to cross it, take it to your hand, then start weaving it, just like so. You see, weave it, weave it, weave it, weave it. So when you are done weaving this one, I'm going to use the remaining tip to round the hair like this. You see, the hair will never fall off, trust me. You see, they are all in the same length, just like this. So, and give me a 6. You see, it's not look as if it's much. So now I'm going to use rubber band to tie, yeah, just there. Use a black rubber band to tie it. So now I'm going to put it in the hot water, because the rubber band I'm using is a very strong one. Even if you put it in the hot water, it doesn't affect it. So I put all the hair in the water. That is it, guys. So I weave extra one, long one. When I started from the beginning, I left hair aside like this. Then at the end, I left 2. See, at the end, I left 2. So I'm going to use it, the down one where I started it, to roll the back side. Always start from the back. So I use it to, like, a kind of threading it, use to round it, just to secure that one I'm taking to cross it. So when I'm done securing it, I will take the hair now, take it to that one, round it, take it again, take it to cross this one. Now I want to use one from the one I didn't weave. See that the one I left aside. I'm going to use it to also secure this one. Then the tip of the hair, I'm going to use it to tie the back side. So this one I make now, it's just for me to give it a style, like to just cross in the middle. So this is the tip. I used to round this one. So before she loses this hair is not going to, like, it's not going to shake. So this is just as simple as this. So I added packer to it just to give it a final look. So tell me, do you like this hair? And if this is the first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. My returning subscriber and my new subscriber, God bless you all. So this hair is so simple as this, like very simple. You see, if you don't have this kind of packer, any packer you have in your possession, you can always use it. So this is the final look of the hair. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.